Hello! Today we're sharing our first short educational clip on this page. From now on, we'll bring you an interesting educational clip every week. Our topics will cover various aspects and application of 3D world. This week I have an exciting tip for you that will be useful in Blender software modeling. The name of this feature is showing Fatten. In this clip you will learn how to use this feature, its shortcuts, and where this feature is applied. First, we open Blender and add a cylinder. Then we enter edit mode and make two cuts along the cylinder. Using the scale tool, we adjust the space between the cuts. Next, we select these specific faces and use the shortcut Alt-E to extend them in the direction they are facing. Our goal is to change the thickness of this extended part. At first, we might think about scaling these faces, but that would change their size in all directions. Instead, we just want to make the extension thicker or thinner. You can find this feature in the Transport menu under Mesh. Its shortcut is Alt-S. I recommend using shortcuts to speed your modeling. I press Alt-S. Now we can easily adjust the thickness of our extrusion. This feature can also be used for vertices. I added a loop cut and select these 4 points. To select them, I start with the first point and then hold the control button while selecting the last point, which automatically select all the points in between. When I scale them normally, the shape becomes distorted, but I wanted the shape to be thicker within the range of these selected points. This can be achieved by using the shrink fatten function, and it won't cause any issue with the shape. I'll discuss another interesting feature of shrink fatten. Let me demonstrate how to use option by adding default monkey. Firstly, I select the face and expand it in its normal direction. When the proportional editing is enabled, it performs this action smoothly. You can choose different smooth modes from the available options. Additionally, by activating the connected option, we can apply this setting exclusively to the current face and its connected faces. This feature ensures that our shape details remain unaffected, avoiding any potential issues. Lastly, let me bring your focus to the summary of this video. Until next week, when I share a new trick, I bid you farewell.